Hello everyone, welcome. We solve for the value of x and y given this math problem. We have x plus y is equal to 8, y is equal to 8. So what is the value of x and y? Solution. Now we have, it's this one expressed as the first equation, and we have the second equation, so that we have x plus y, this is equal to 8, y is equal to 8. Okay, so in our first equation, let's make y to be the subject of the formula, so that we'll have x plus y, this is equal to 8. You can transform it as y, this is equal to 8 minus x. Okay, so we have y is equal to 8 minus x. Now we substitute y in the second equation. We have xy is equal to 8, so we substitute the value of y, so that we'll have x multiplied by 8 minus x, this is equal to 8. Okay, so we just open the bracket, we'll have 8 times x, which is 8x minus x squared, this is equal to 8. Okay, so that we'll have 8x minus x squared minus 8, this is equal to 0. Okay, so if you rearrange this and form a quadratic equation, we'll have negative x squared plus 8x minus 8, this is equal to 0. And then we divide both signs by negative 1, so that if we divide by negative 1, we're going to have x squared minus 8x plus 8, this is equal to 0. Okay, now to solve, this is a quadratic equation. Okay, it's a quadratic equation. Now to solve for the value of x, we introduce the quadratic formula that states that x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. From our quadratic equation, our a is equal to 1, our b is equal to negative 8, and our c is equal to 8. Okay, so it's a matter of substituting, so that we'll have x is equal to minus 8 plus or minus the square root of negative 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times c. Our c is 8, divide everything by 2 times 1. Okay, so that we'll have x is equal to 8 plus or minus the square root of, this is 64 minus that 2 divided by 2. Okay, so that we'll have, this is 8 divided by 2 plus or minus the square root of that 2 divided by 2. Okay, so this is equal to 8 divided by 2 is 4, so we'll have 4 plus or minus, no, this is still, this 32 can be expressed as 16 times 2 divided by 2. Okay, so that we'll have, x is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 is 4 multiplying by square root of 2 divided by 2, so that x is equal to 4 plus or minus 2 square root of 2. So now we have two values of x. x1 is equal to 4 plus 2 root 2, and x2 is equal to 4 minus 2 root 2. Okay, so now we need to get the value of y. So if you have x1, so what is y1? Okay, remember that from our equation, y is equal to 8 minus x. Okay, so that we'll have y1 is equal to 8 minus value of x is equal to 4 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so that we'll have 8 minus 4 minus 2 root 2. So this is 8 minus 4, so that we'll have 8 minus 4 minus 2 root 2, which give us 4 minus 2 root 2. Okay, so that means that x1, y1, that's now it's given us x1, remember it's 4 plus 2 root 2, and y1, which is given as 4 minus 2 root 2. Okay, we are saying it's 4 plus 2 root 2, that's x1, and y1 is 4 minus 2 root 2. Okay, and then now we proceed to get y2. y2 will be given by 8 minus x2. Okay, determine y2. y2 is equal to 8 minus x2, given that x2 is 4 minus 2 root 2, so that we'll have 8 minus x2 is 4 minus 2 root 2, so that we'll have 8 minus 4 plus 2 root 2. Okay, remember this is minus times minus, or negative times negative with positive, so that we'll have 4 plus 2 root 2. So y2 is equal to 4 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so that means now x2 comma y2, this is equal to x2 is given as 4 minus 2 root 2, and y2 is given as 4 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so we can verify, okay, we can verify if this is true. We can use innovate. We can use either, you can either use x1 y1, or you can also use x2 y2 to verify. Now we can use x2 y2 to verify if this is true. Remember our equation was given as x plus y. This is supposed to give us 8. Okay, we can verify with equation 1 or equation 2, any of it. So we can substitute, this is, we can substitute x2. Remember this is like x2 plus y2, this should give you 8. Okay, so substitute x2, which is 4 minus 2 root 2 plus y2, which is 4 plus 2 root 2, is supposed to give us 8. Okay, so this is 4 plus 4, which is exactly 8, and negative 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2, this one will simplify, cancels out, and we remain with 8. So that means, again, that is the left hand side should be equal to the right hand side, and it's true that 8 is equal to 8. Okay, and that's the proof. Thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe.